Hello and good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and keeping well. So, children, today I have come up with another video. So, let's see what's today we are going to learn. Let's get started. So, children, today we are going to do counting, okay, 41 to 50. So, we will learn numbers and number names from 41 to 50. So children, here 4141. Now its number name is FORTY40ONE1. So this is in figure and this is in words. 41 in figure is written like this, 4141, and in words 41 is written like FORTY40ONE1. 41. Now 4242. It's read like 4242. Now how do you write its number name? How will you write? See, first you will write 40, FORTY 40, TWO2, 42. Now 4343, we will write its number name like this, FORTY 43, 43. 4444, it's written like this in its number name, FORTY 40, FOUR 44. Now look here, 4545. Now how will you write it in words? We will write 45 in words like this, FORTY 40, FIVE 45. Now children, this is 46. You will write this in its number form like this, 40 SIX 6, 46. Okay. Now comes 47, FORTY 40, SEVEN 47. Here 48 is written, FORTY 40, EIGHT 8, 48. Now comes 49, FORTY 40, NINE 9, 49. Now comes 50, FIFTY 50. Okay. Now today we will also write and learn number names. Now this is your practice session, children. It's in dodging form. I will dodge you. So see, here it's written 3. Now how you will write 3 in its number form? I mean in words 3. THREE 12. 1, 2, 12. See, we write 12 like this, TWELVE 12. Now 18, EIGHTEEN 18. Now 2 to 22. You will write TWENTY 20, TWO2 22. Now here children, it's written 29. 2929. Now you will write 2929 in its number name form or words. TWENTY 20, NINE 9, 29. Now 3 4 34. We will write 34 like this: THIRTY 30 FOUR 34. Now 4 1 41. FORTY 41 41. Now comes 4 9 49. FORTY 40 NINE 9 49. Now children, this is forward counting 1 to 50. As you can see, here numbers are written: 1 1 11, 2 1 21, 3 1 31 and 4 1 41. What you will do? You will simply write what comes after 1. So after 1 comes 2, then next comes 3, then 4 5, okay, 6 7 8 9 10. Now 11 is written. After 11 comes 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and then comes 20. Now children, here 2 1 21 is written. Now we will write 2 2 22. Then 2 3 23. Then 2 4 24. 5 25. 2 6 26. 2 7 27. 2 8 28, 2 9 29 and 3 0 30. Okay children, now we will write what comes after 3 1 31. So the number which comes next to 31 is 32, then 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. Now 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, 5 0 50. So we have completed counting right from 1 to 5050. Now children, we have backward counting 50 to 1. See, now you will write backward counting 50 to 1. Here you can see children, 5050, 4040, 3030, 2020 and 1010 is already written. Okay, now what you will do? You will start counting backward. Like what comes before 50? So 4 9 49. Then what comes before 49? 4 8 48. Then 4 7 47. 4 6 46, 4 5 45, 4 4 44, 4 3 43, 4 2 42, and last is 4 1 41. Now here what comes before 4 1 41 is 40. It's already written. Now what comes before 40? It is 39. How do we read 39? 39? We read 39 like 39 39. Then 38 38, 37 37, 36 36, 35 35, 34 34, 33 33, 32 32, and then comes 31 31. Now what comes before 31 is 30 30. Now we will again do backward counting. इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं उल्टी गिनती. ओके, तो 30 से पहले क्या आता है? 2 9 29, then 2 8 28, 2 7 27, 2 6 26, 2 5 25, 2 4 24, 2 3 23, 2 2 22, and then comes 2 1 21. What comes before 2 1 21 is 2 0 20, then 1 9 19, 1 8 18, 1 7 17, 1 6 16, 1 5 15, 1 4 14, 1 3 13, 1 2 12, and 1 1 11. Now comes 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we have done backward counting right from children 5050 to 1. Okay, now I will be sending 2 worksheets. Okay, in which you have to count and write the correct number. You have to count the objects given and you have to write the correct number in the box. As you can see here, you have to count the objects and you have to write the correct number here in this box given. And another worksheet is to match the number to the number name. You can see here number names are written. You have to match with the figure, with its number. So these 2 worksheets will be given to you right now. You have to practice them. That's all about for today. Thank you and have a nice day.